Hey guys, welcome back to Suji's cookbook. Today I am going to show one of my favorite recipe, that is chicken majestics. Let's go with ingredients. Boneless chicken. Just cut this chicken like thin fingers like this. Mint leaves, soya sauce, vinegar, corn flour, buttermilk, freshly chopped garlic, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of zeera powder, coriander leaves, 1 cup of curd, green chillies, red chilli powder, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, salt, 1 egg. Let's go with marination procedure. First, add this buttermilk to this chicken. And then add 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. One egg. Mix all the ingredients well. And next, add corn flour. Corn flour will add slowly. First add 1 tablespoon. Mix this well. After that, add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Later again add 1 more tablespoon. Total 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Refrigerate this for 2 to 4 hours. Let's go for frying. Add oil for deep frying. Once the oil is heated, drop these chicken pieces into it. And fry this until it turns to light golden brown color. And now drain excess oil with the help of kitchen towels. Next, take a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add finely chopped garlic, and then add green chillies, and chopped mint leaves. Mix this well. Next, add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of zeera powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1½ tablespoon of chilli powder. Mix this well. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Now I am adding 1 cup of curd. Mix it well. Now add fried chicken pieces. Give a good mix to all the ingredients are nicely coated with chicken pieces. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt and sprinkle some lemon juice into it and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix this well. And transfer this into a serving bowl. Now my favorite chicken majestics are ready. If you like my video, please like and comment below and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.